Darren Plum here, your realtor with RE/MAX Hallmark York Group. You guys know I'm plumb crazy about real estate, and I'm here today with your May 2016 housing market update. Wahoo! In the GTA in the month of May, we've had the highest sales ever recorded on the Toronto Real Estate Board, almost 13,000 units. And this is spread all across all home types. The average sale price of a home in the GTA was $751,000. The average sale to list price ratio was 104% of ask, with an average days on market of 15. Now I specialize in the areas of Newmarket, Stouffville, and Aurora. So let's take a look at how those numbers break down into those particular areas. The number of homes sold was 166. Now this is up from 152 in May of 2015. The average sale price of a home in Aurora for May 2016 was $1,013,000. Now this is a significant increase from May 2015, where the average sale price of a home was $736,000. And sale price to list price ratio currently is at 105% in Aurora, whereas in May 2015 it was at 100%. Now days on market in Aurora has come down from 17 in 2015 to an average in May 2016 of 16 days. In May 2015, Stouffville saw 119 home sales, and for May 2016 this has increased to 131. The average sale price of a home currently in Stouffville is $910,000, and this is up from May 2015, where it was $793. In May 2015, homes in Stouffville were selling at just under asking, at 98% of asking price, whereas in May 2016, we've actually seen that increase to 101% of asking price. Average selling time in Stouffville is 15 days. Now this is down from 22 in May 2015. May 2016 saw 228 home sales in Newmarket, and this is up 10 units from May 2015 in Newmarket. The average sales price of a home for May 2016 in Newmarket is $777,000, and this is up from May 2015, where we were at $602,000. Newmarket is currently sitting at a sale to list price ratio of 105%, and this is up 5% from May 2015. Days on market, as you can imagine, has decreased in Newmarket for May 2016, where we are now at 9, whereas previously, a year ago, we were at 14. Now, I just want to remind you that the figures I've shared here are averages across all home types. So if there's something specific that you require, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask. Okay, so what does all this data mean? Well, we are still in a strong seller market, with homes selling in multiple offers at asking or higher, and with months of inventory in some areas less than 4 weeks. Okay, so I'm often asked, what is fueling some of the current trends? And some of the contributing factors are transfer of wealth, and that is baby boomer parents giving their children a living inheritance, low interest rates, global buying. Our economy is strong, and many countries see Canada as a safe investment. Now, further to that point, when foreign investors do buy in Canada, they are generally buying in US dollars. And being as our dollar is weaker than the US dollar, combined with our strong appreciation, it just makes for a positive environment. And I hear buyers say this a lot: the market's too hot, I'm gonna wait. Well, I would pose the question of this: why do you want to do that? Take a look at the Aurora numbers I stated earlier, for example. The difference between the Aurora average home selling price in May 2015 to May 2016 is 27%. 27%! Now I ask you, as a buyer, and if your dream is to buy your first home, can you afford to wait? I mean, the market will literally pass you by as your buying power is diminished year after year. Put more simply, at this rate of appreciation, the longer that you wait, the less house you'll be able to purchase, if at all. Buyers, we're still seeing historic low interest rates, so it's a very affordable time to buy. I hear many sellers say to me currently, I can get great money for my home, but then where do I go? Then what do I do? And I mean, that generally speaks to the fact that you will be buying in the same market that you were selling. And that said, sellers, we are seeing precedent pricing set weekly and daily in your neighborhoods. The demand is there as the numbers all show that homes are being sold at or considerably above asking. Whether you are buying or selling or both, I would welcome the opportunity to connect with you and find out more about your wants, needs, and desires. And then I can create and present you with options that meet your expectations, budget, and timeline. I can provide for you a unique buying or selling solution that is tailored specifically for you. I hope you find this information helpful. If you require any more clarity on something that I have covered here, please do not hesitate to ask. This is Darren Plumb, your realtor with RE/MAX Hallmark York Group, signing off with your May 2016 housing market update.